Introducing the Advin PCOD Needle, a specialized instrument designed for ovarian puncture in polycystic ovarian disease treatment. The fine, sharp needle allows precise puncturing of ovarian follicles, supporting safe and effective management of PCOD. Its smooth surface ensures controlled entry with minimal trauma, while the ergonomic hub provides superior handling and stability for the surgeon. Made from premium medical-grade stainless steel, the Advin PCOD needle ensures durability, safety, and reliable performance, contributing to improved surgical efficiency and patient outcomes in gynecological procedures.